Dear students, hope you are all well. So today we will begin with a chapter in EVS part 2. The name of the chapter is Evolution. Let's move forward. Students, in the previous lesson, that is Life of the Earth, we studied about the animals. In this lesson, we are going to study in detail about the animals. How animals, all living beings, were totally different when they really existed on the earth. After many years, because of environment, there was a change in the animal, and that change is called evolution. So today's topic of our lesson is evolution. Now it means gradual and continuous change. Gradual means slowly, and continuously means we are changing the appearance of human beings, or you can say of the animals. Evolution is a process of survival by adapting to the environmental changes. Certain internal changes occur in some animals of species. Species is, the meaning of the word species is different types. Now you must be thinking, who introduced this concept of evolution? There was a scientist named Charles Darwin. He gave a systematic explanation on the concept of evolution. Let's see forward. The next is extinction of dinosaurs. Just see the picture in the slide. These are pictures of the dinosaurs, and there was an age where there were dinosaurs. That means there was a time when there were dinosaurs. Nowadays, we don't find any dinosaurs. Have you all seen dinosaurs now? No, we don't find any dinosaurs. And these animals, there were a great variety of dinosaurs. Great variety means there were different types of dinosaurs. Some of them used to swim. Some of them were very large. So there were a great variety of dinosaurs. They were living on the earth. And if you look at the word dinosaur, dinosaur word is literally taken from a Greek language, and that is a Greek word. Dinos, dinos means terrible or fearful. And the other word that is saurus, and saurus means lizard. So if you have seen, there is a similarity between dinosaur and lizard. Now if you have seen a lizard and if you see dinosaur, there is somewhat some similarity. They look same. Okay. Let's move forward. Now, the next is there is a wide variety of species. As I mentioned in the previous slide, species means different types of the animal world. Here we are seeing about the animals. Evolution of each species takes place differently. So let's learn about the stages of evolution in the next slide. Now, there are different kinds of stages of evolution. The first stage is invertebrates. Now, what is invertebrates? Animals without a backbone and a bony structure are called invertebrates. There are some examples given: snail, jellyfish, starfish. And there are some more example given on the slide, the picture, like flatworm, sponge, spiders, and shrimps. So all these come under invertebrates. Let's move forward. Now the second stage is vertebrates. Now animals with a backbone and a bony structure are called vertebrates. And some types of vertebrates animals are, students, in vertebrates we have many types. First is aquatic animals. Animals that live in water. Example, fish. And there are more aquatic animals also. The second type is amphibians. Animals that live in land as well as in water. Example, frog. Let's move forward. The third example is reptiles, animals which have special skin, okay, which have special skin made up of scales. These animals mainly crawl. Example, snake. And there are so many other examples like lizard. Snakes have scales, right? So they come under reptiles. And the fourth stage is mammals. Now, mammals, which is again very important, and you're the most intelligent animals among the vertebrates you will find. These animals give birth directly to their young ones. Example, humans, that is us. Humans, apes, cats, and dogs. Let's move forward. That is the fifth example. That is apes, which is again very important. Apes have somewhat human-like appearance. That means apes look somewhat like us. They mostly live on trees. These apes were found many years before, or you can say your old ancestors. Okay? Some of these species gradually evolved in time and gave rise to the human species. This happened first in African continent. You mostly find you would have found apes in the African continent first. And the first human species are called primitive man. Okay, let's move forward. That's your homework. The first question is the first systematic explanation of the concept of evolution was given by Dash. The second one is Dash are the most evolved animals among vertebrates. The third one is what do we call animals which live in water and also on land? And the last one is where did the first humans appear? That's all for now. Your chapter ends over here. We will learn the next chapter in the next video. Thank you for listening, children. Goodbye. Take care.